Hello and welcome to Tom's Toolbox. I'm your host, Tom Clark, and today we're going to show you different features on motors that improve their cleanability in food and beverage applications. Food production facilities, of course, need equipment that runs reliably, as unplanned downtime can result in lost production time and costly food waste. We don't want that. Perhaps more importantly, equipment operating near the food stream must also have what they call excellent cleanability, the ability to be easily and effectively cleaned to meet stringent sanitation requirements in support of food safety. Very important in the food and beverage industry. Motors with excellent cleanability have visual characteristics that indicate that they meet these requirements. Now, these visual cues can help food producers identify whether a motor is appropriate to support their sanitation and food safety program. The first is going to be smooth, curved contours. You can see this right here. Smooth finishes with curved contours meet NAMI, North American Meat Institute guidelines for ease of cleaning, and it allows water to be easily shed from the motor. It's just going to fall off, minimizing the chance of pooling and harboring bacteria. Now, the new standard is known as IP69K. In order to meet this requirement, a motor must possess the needed mechanical features, features such as a rounded conduit box, hardware through bolts, drain plugs, etc., with smooth heads, and nameplate data laser marked directly on the frame can also eliminate contamination catch points that are often overlooked in designing food-safe equipment. In other words, it'd be etched on here and it wouldn't be a plate that's screwed on because something could get underneath that plate and grow. Bacteria could grow there, or maybe on top of the screws, water could pool in there. It really doesn't take much. Now, what is missing can also be important. Where possible, the use of footless and non-ventilated motors can eliminate points on the motor that are more difficult to clean. As you can see, this motor right here, it doesn't have any feet on the bottom of it. Now, for optimal cleanability, all nooks and crannies should be avoided. But when an application requires a foot mounting, like we have right here, motors with independent feet minimize catch points and surface contact between the motor and mounting structure while allowing increased accessibility to properly clean around the entire motor. Now, a final visual indication is how the motor is constructed. The conduit box should be continuously welded to the frame, as you can see right here, nice and smooth, and that eliminates a gasket and contaminant ingress path. Now, on the foot-mounted models, continuously welded bases, you can see right down here, or independent feet, provide gently curved corners to allow better cleaning access and visibility. Observing what your motor has, doesn't have, and how it's put together is a quick indication on if it is built to offer reliability and cleanability in food applications. Well, there you have it. That's going to do it for this edition of Tom's Toolbox. Now, you might have noticed, didn't have any PPE on today as we were describing cleanability, but we had it right here just in case. And you should always remember wear the proper PPE for whatever the job calls for. Safety is always priority number one. Priority number two, go to mihowto.com, check out some more videos with me, Tom Clark, as your host. Thanks so much for watching.